All right, science students, I'm going to try to make this a very short video. It will self-destruct in 3 minutes if I'm not done. Look, I'm at the state fair here with the marching band. Okay, I wanted to point out on this main page, first of all, in case you and your parents aren't aware of how to even find that document that guides us through our assignments and where our assignments can be found. If this is the main page of the ISD 300, which it is, under families, and now my face is in the way, under families, you go over here in MS HS courses, distance learning, and then from there, you can go to 6th grade. Okay, 6th grade, here I am. Then from there, you can go to any of your 6th grade teachers. We're going to go to science today. I'm going to point out a couple things. Okay. Now, I want this message today is just for clarity about how do we know what's due and when it's due. Well, I've made my page here that links, first of all, the first page is just informative, tells us some of the programs we'll be using, etc. But now I've started linking week 1 distance learning schedule, put a link there to the week 1 in case you have forgotten to do something or need to go back and check something. Week 2 distance learning, link goes back to week 2. And then now you're viewing week 3. And this is where I'll post the video probably on the day Tuesday here. As you can tell, today or this week in science is very light compared to last week. Yes, I never intended for the gizmo to be problematic. It's a good lesson. We would have done that in the classroom. We probably would have used 2 full days in the classroom to do it. And I just didn't want to be, because of distance learning, watering down my expectations for you. So I am super proud of the people who put their head down and got it done. Just get her done. Okay, so anyway, this is where it lays out what we're expected for this week. And as you can tell, it's very light. Okay, just one little thing each week. Now, another place you can look always to find out what exactly you have to do is your Google Classroom under the classwork tab. For instance, under week 3, April 13th through 17th, here's your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lessons or 5 at least assignments that are due. Okay. A third place you can find them is in campus. So if you go in campus and then look here, I have CK12, EB, our Energy Bell Ringer, IXL, Science Trivia, and Shockwaves. There's all 5 of them ready to be graded. As soon as they start rolling in, I'll start popping some grades in there. Okay, so you can look on campus, you can look in Google Classroom, you can look on that page that I've created. There's also one more thing I want to point out about that page, and then my video is getting too long here. Right here, cores and specials. So you go up and click in this little right-hand corner here, and there's a handy-dandy little checkbox chart. You could actually have mom and dad print that off, or if you have a printer available, look, you could take and see math, PE, science, check it off, check it off, check it off. This is something I'm going to try to alert your parents to. I might make them a video, but I'm not sure how they'll feel about it. Anyway, there is a code word in today's video, a code word. It's Einsteinium. Einsteinium. If you were to email me the word Einsteinium today or tomorrow, I will put 5 points immediately into your gradebook. This video is now self-destructing.